Hi. In one of the interview, they have been asked to collect the data. Means one of the research analyst interview they have been called, and this is Ultra Cosine company, and they wanted to test your ability to analyze by using Python as well as Excel. So what they have given, they have given one data here, pizza panel and pizza cutter. Okay, before launching that particular product from the company side, they wanted to do some research on that particular product. Okay, in uh, Amazon. So what they have given a Amazon link. They have given. You can click on that link. Okay, they have given Amazon link. Who are all the best sellers, existing best sellers? Okay, their they have given their name, okay, rating, how many are customers, and they have given a price also. Okay, based on this, okay, by using that data, you need to check the top five competitor in this product category, each product category in pizza panel as well as a pizza cutter, and outline the each competitor's price point, average rating we need, number of reviews, and features, whatever it is that we have to take, like material, what they have been used, those things, and analyze the customer reviews. Then it has to be taken in Excel. They have been asked particularly take this data in a Excel. Then they asked to like analyze a customer review by identifying any main issues customers have with the existing product on the market and advise necessary way to avoid these existing issues. We need to check the least rating who all got and what would be the reason for the getting that rating low. Okay, then, based on the above data, recommend the main features and like what to be considered before launching that particular product. Okay. First, we will go with extracting a data here. The first step by using a Python. For that, I will launch one Jupyter notebook. You already know that once you have been used the Python, you will be knowing that how to go to Jupyter Workbench and how to launch the Jupyter notebook. And from that Jupyter, we can take a new Python file, Python. Okay. The first thing I need here is I need to import one of the this one web scraping tool that is called as the auto scraper. You can also install this one. Pip install auto scraper. Okay, there is a one, it is already I have installed, that's the reason it says already satisfied. You can install this one. Okay, auto scraper. Once you have been installed the auto scraper, sometimes it is already required a beautiful soup also, like a BS4. Okay, that one also you can install. Okay, auto scraper once you have been installed, then we have to call the auto scraper. How to call that? From auto scraper, auto scraper import. There is a one more auto scraper name only, but it is in a capital letter. Okay, auto scraper we have to import. Once you import that library, we have to initialize the model. I say name for the model is a scraper. Name for the no model scraper is equal to auto scraper. I have been initialized. Auto scraper has been initialized in a scraper. Once you have been taken a scraper, first thing we need to do here, we need to take the URL. URL is equal to, okay, we'll go to that Amazon link which they have given, copy that link and paste it here to take it as a URL. Okay. Once you have been taken a URL, the next point is to wanted list. Okay, we need a wanted list. Means in that particular URL, what are the things you need? Okay, I just take it in a list because list we need to provide list of items what we need. I just say that I will copy this the first one, everything I will copy from their description, paste it here. Okay, once I paste here, I will just separate them like new this panel. Okay, up to this one is a one by quotation I will separate, not up to this one it is up to where it will come up to this length. Okay, it will be a one text. Okay, that will be the one text, and this rating 4 out of 6 stars what we say, that will be the one comma. I will just delete this space, and this number is nothing but a total number of the customers, comma, this price is nothing but a the total price. One by one also you can take and separate in a list. So we created a wanted list also. Once you have been created a wanted list, okay, once you have been created a wanted list, then we have to build the scraper. Okay, we have to build the scraper. How to build the scraper? We have to say scraper dot build on this URL by using a wanted list. On this URL by using a wanted list. Once you have been built, it will show that can I extract all the items or not. But title is not at extracted. Maybe some reason here we need to check. There is a double quote because here we haven't given a comma. Now if I build, yes, okay, properly you have to give, then only you will be able to get it all. Now what we will do, we say that we know this scraper. Okay, in that each of the values we know, so I can just say that um, result uh, is equal to result is equal to um, scraper dot, okay, scraper dot get similar result, I say on this scraper, I say get similar result like this on this URL, given URL, comma, it should be grouped by grouped is a true. So that what will happen, the result whatever it has been extracted, it will group them together. We can see that result will be in a, if I print result, okay, this will be in a dictionary format, right? It is in a dictionary format, all the result we have taken. I can check the key values of the dictionary by saying result dot keys, right? So all the keys, it shows that the first two keys are belongs to the name and the rating, and the last two keys are belongs to, because this rating has been repeated again and again because of space and all. Okay, these things happens when you are doing, and the last two result belongs to the price and the total number of the ratings. So what we will do, we'll set this rules. Okay, these rules we have, we will set these rules in a scraper. That model scraper dot set rule alias is there. In that I say this first rule to be set as, I'll copy. It should be in a dictionary format. So taken in a flower bracket. Then I say this to be title. Okay, comma. The second rule which we have, this rule will keep changing if you are keep executing. Be careful on that. The second rule is a um, review, right? Rating. Sorry, rating. And the last but one rule, because these rules have been repeated, as I said, rating. So this rule is a this rule is a number of reviews, comma. The last rule which we have, just zoom out, okay, then only I can select properly. The last rule, copy, paste. The last rule is nothing but a just the last rule is nothing but a price. Okay, I have been set the scraper. I have set the scraper. Once I set the scraper, then we have to say scraper dot, okay, keep these rules. Okay, which are the rules to be kept? It should be in a like a list of comma we have to give in a list format. I say copy. I will just paste here within a list, and in that I will take out all this. Okay, just title and all is not a rule. That is a name given for the rule. Only rules we have to list out. I just say that number of reviews is not a rule. Just a rule, list of the rules which you have taken to set the allies we have to consider. Then once you have been kept the rules, then we have to save this. Okay, scraper dot save this particular one. I will give that first one was like Amazon pizza peel. Okay, I say pizza feel, right? Peel spelling is correct. P-double-E-L. Okay, peel. There is a model name I have been given. We'll execute. Once we have been executed this one, now we have to load this pizza peel again in a scraper dot load, because we have been already created and we have been kept, all have been set. Now we load that. Once you load that one, we say get similar result. Okay, get similar, get result similar, and I will save it in a peel data equal to get similar result. Okay, there I will provide that URL, comma, group by allies is equal to true. Now I will give means these allies which we have been created already, on that basis only you have to group, not group equal to true. Group equal to true means again it will create a rules. So I don't want to create once again the built rule. Whatever the rule we have been already built, on that only it has to build. Now you can see if I print that field data here, title, okay, separate we have been executed. Now this on this dictionary we will create this one. Okay, how to create that on the dictionary? I say pandas I will call. So import pandas as pd. Okay, once I imported a pandas, I just need a data. The data is nothing but we'll use a data frame, pandas data frame, panda dot data frame. In that, we'll provide this dictionary. That is nothing but a field data. This is in a dictionary format, right? So we'll say field data. Okay, now we have been constructed a dictionary, right? So we have been constructed a data by using that dictionary. You can see rating, number of previous, price we have in a separate column. But rating, I just need this number. So what we can do, we can split that data. The rating column is equal to data of rating column. It's in a string from format. We need to split that. Expand is equal to, means we have to split them together, and I say the first value only you take out of the split. Only first value you have to take, or if you are not given also, it will come only first value. We can check. If I just split, and if I say now data, yeah, only first value we have been taken. Now, price also, I just need a first value. I don't want that one also, second value. Or we can keep yourself both the values as you wish. You can keep. Okay, because we are exporting anyhow this into a Excel. There also you can split that into a two column. Or here only you can say, okay, price is equal to the same. The things I will select, copy, paste. Only here I will change it to the price. Okay. So we executed. Now if you check the data, data has been taken. Once you have been taken all the data, now what we need to do, we can save this data into the Excel by saying data dot to Excel, and we'll give the name of the file like field underscore data dot xlsx. This is the extension of the Excel file. Will execute. Once you execute it, it will be there in a folder where you have been created this one. Okay. Here field data xlx. Then you can select that download. So downloaded a data. You can open that data. Okay, once you open, you can check all the title, rating, review, price, everything is there. Now you can clean that one column by column. So we'll do that Excel part of the work in a next session.